Come test drive this 2015 Toyota Tacoma. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear step bumper, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.